So this video is a trail guide for the Plateau Trail near Moab, Utah. I'm also going to tell you at the end how to not make the same mistakes I did on this trail. So I hope you stay tuned and enjoy it. Hey, my name is Dewie Jones. I take videos of Colorado. However, today I am in Utah and we are doing the Plateau Trail near Moab, Utah. It is a moderate trail. I'm going to make it a trail guide and review of the trail. Hopefully get some really good scenery. It apparently has some cool historical stuff, and there's some caves. Now, I was going to do Top of the World, which is a challenging trail. I wanted to see if a stock two-door JK Rubicon could do it. However, I lost my wheeling buddy, and in spectacular fashion, by the way. So if you haven't seen that video, check it out, the sand dunes. You'll see what happened there. However, Top of the World is beautiful, so I'd recommend checking out Trail Traveler's video. He did a great video showing off Top of the World. But that's enough talking. Let's get going. Let's go see what this trail has to offer. Let's go. All right, this is the first obstacle that you are going to encounter on this trail. It's pretty easy. It just looks maybe a little bit shady. All you're gonna need is 4 low, and you'll be able to crawl right up it. All right, guys, I got out to kind of see where we were at. My mileage, I might have gotten a little turned around back here, but I think we're on the right track. We're gonna go down this and we're gonna continue straight. Hopefully we'll still run into that arch, but I'm not sure yet. right, we've made it to the arch. You got beautiful views that way. You also have a beautiful Jeep right there, as well as the nice looking arch. Let's go. So I'm looking for the overlook and I am lost. I was following some tracks. They took me in the wrong direction. And so I'm thinking with this route, because there's so many different like roads and stuff like that, you should have either Gaia or the Fun Tracks GPS app might help, which is something I definitely need to get. I do know how to get myself out of here. Alright guys, I'm so sorry I couldn't find that overlook, but I'll be back with a better way. But if you find it, let me know. Show me that video, show me some photos. I'd love to see what it looks like. However, we still got some really cool stuff to go see. We're gonna go find some caves, some old cabins, and there's some other overlooks that we're gonna go see. So we're gonna head that way now and get back on track. All right, let's go explore these caves and see what they're all about. Let's go check out these cabins. Let's see what we got. Old mining cabins. And let's go take a look. Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope it was useful to you. Right up here are my trail ratings on what I think this trail was. Basically, I think any Wrangler would be able to do it. I would have good tires, and I always would want skid plates. Scenery wise, it was beautiful. It was a great trail. It was kind of diverse. My scenery rating might be a little bit lower than if you get to see that overlook that we missed. And speaking of that, how do you prevent what happened to me happening to you? What I would do is I would download a recent satellite map, use that satellite map with your guidebook to help you get there. And that's probably what I'm gonna do next time, or I'm gonna get the Fun Tracks app and see if that'll work for me, but I'll also have a backup on the satellite map. So I hope this was good. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. I hope to make better videos in the future, more like this, but entertaining.